Welcome back to episode 3 of our Loomis method portrait course. Today's lesson is all about the downward looking angle. In the previous episode, we drew a girl looking down, so if you haven't seen that one yet, you might want to check it out first. Let's begin. As always, we start with a sphere. Hold your pencil lightly and make a circular motion in the air before you draw on the paper. This helps get your movement right. Now, draw the center line straight down the sphere. Then, add the brow line, but this time it curves downward because the head is tilted down. Next, place the nose line also curved downward right on the edge of the sphere. It must never go beyond the sphere's outline. Measure the nose length, then add the forehead above it using the same measurement, because in this angle, the nose and forehead are equally visible. Now for the chin, notice how a large portion of it is hidden in this view. That means its height is much shorter than the nose or forehead. This is a critical detail. Getting the chin wrong can completely change the portrait's likeness. Next, mark the side planes on both the left and right. Each should be 1/6 of the sphere's width. Since this is a front view looking downward, keep both sides equal in width. Connect the chin to the sphere starting from the midpoint of the right side plane. Angle the line slightly inward, then curve it into the chin after a short distance. Do the same on the left side. Continue the inner facial construction lines until you reach the hairline stop at the end of the side plane near the brow. Draw the bald cap area, then extend into the hair shape. Repeat the same steps on the left side. Now for the ears. In this angle, the top of the ear lines up with the brow line, and the bottom lines up with the nose line at the end of the side plane. Repeat for the left ear. From the ears, outline the outer shape of the hair. You'll notice that in this angle, the hair sits just a little above the top of the sphere. Now let's add the features. Loomis-style. The nose. In the Loomis method, the nose is treated as a block with 3 main planes, the top plane facing down, and 2 side planes tapering toward the nostrils. Because the head is tilted downward, we see less of the underside of the nose and more of the top ridge. Keep the bottom edge curved to match the downward perspective. The eyes and brows. The eyes sit on a curved outline about 1/3 of the way from the nose line to the brow line. In this view, the upper lids will appear more prominent while the lower lids are partially hidden. The brows follow the curve of the brow line and angle downward toward the center. The mouth. Think of the mouth as a gently curved arc. With the head tilted down, the top lip will slightly overlap the bottom lip in visibility. The corners of the mouth follow the curve of the jaw, so they will appear higher toward the edges and lower at the center. And that's the outline for our downward-looking portrait. In the next episode, we'll move on to the 3/4 angle. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps me keep creating these tutorials for you.